App Hub provides access to various NX CAM applications, designed to enhance and streamline the manufacturing process. Users can download and integrate the applications within NX to improve efficiency in manufacturing operations. App Hub can be accessed in two ways. The first way is through the App Hub website in a browser window. Post Hub can be accessed from App Hub through this button. All applications are built using NX Open. Some apps are provided by external partners. To get access to these apps, users can contact the partners via the contact details provided. All apps that are owned by Siemens can be downloaded directly from App Hub. These are the ones that include NX in their title. The downloaded zip file contains both the installation data and a documentation where further instructions on the installation process can be found. The second way to access App Hub is directly from within NX CAM by clicking on the respective tab. On the top ribbon, the user can access App Hub and all installed applications. The advantage of opening App Hub within NX CAM is that this allows for one-click installations. Fully installing a new app is as simple as clicking on the download button. Like with the browser downloads, a zip file will appear in the user's download folder. But notably, the application will also be immediately available within NX.